Hi, this is Rick Cogswell for Land and Home Financial Services. I wanted to talk a little bit this morning about VA home loan tips. Just a few things that people assume to be the issue or don't understand some of the conditions as it relates to a VA home. The first one I'd like to cover is negative credit events, like a housing event, a foreclosure, or a short sale. Most people think that once they've had that under a VA loan, that they're not going to be eligible to get another VA loan. There is a eligibility period of 2 years from the completion date of that type of housing event, and then you can be eligible for a VA loan. The other thing that people are not aware of is seller concessions, and that they can ask a home buyer to pay for costs on behalf of the buyer or yourself. And then all closing cost discount points that may be added or seller um, cost in regards to the amount. All of the interested party contributes are limited up to 4%, but those can be added to the loan to help you reduce the amount of money that you'll need out of pocket to be able to move forward. And then the basic eligibility issues are suitable credit, insufficient home, and suitable meaning credit that is acceptable by the particular lender. And we have very flexible guidelines here, so that is a lot easier for you to be able to establish. The other thing is a certificate of eligibility where the VA guarantees the loan for the certificate, and we will handle that part for you as well. And how much? The other thing is, it must be an owner occupied property, and you are eligible if you're a service member or a veteran, or even eligible if you're a surviving spouse of a veteran. That's something that a lot of people are not aware of, but you should be aware of that if you're a surviving spouse of a veteran, you are also eligible. And also here, the Dreammaker grant program that we have provides a 2-to-1 match for borrowers' funds into the maximum grant loan amount up to $5,000. And again, it's available for active duty, reserves, National Guards, or veterans. And first-time home buyers, um, we must be a first-time home buyer and have no owner occupancy in the last 3 years. And that's how they define a first-time home buyer is if you haven't had an ownership in a property in the last 3 years, they look at you as being a first-time home buyer. So it's kind of a seasonal probational period that you can go through. The other thing that we handle also are EARLs, which are refis for veterans, somebody that's got a VA loan. There's no appraisal or credit underwriting packages required, and then there's no money out-of-pocket options that are available when doing those type of refinances. It requires no down payment. It has no monthly mortgage insurance premium. Remember that with all VA loans. And then, of course, the certificate of eligibility is required, but that's a requirement that's required with all VA loans. The other thing is that there's no origination fees, no processing fees, and no admin fees for Land Home Financial Services for any VA loans. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. I am available up to 10 o'clock in the evening, 7 days a week. Or if you'd like to just hit one of my links on the side there, you can put an application in for a new home purchase or a refinance, and I'd be happy to give you a call and go over all of your options and what's available for you. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate it. Just give me a call at any time, and we'll be able to move forward. Thank you. Rick Cogswell, Land and Home Financial Services.